Yo, what's up, my friendo? Today I'll show you how to do the rat dance. But first, you gotta move your foot. Huh? Am I got controlled? Hello? Is this on? It's me, Blueberry. I just want to tell you there's something wrong. Look at this place. It may seem normal, but there's a hideout in there. Please help me. Oh shoot, here he comes. Oh, after those losers think they can escape, I just decided to let them spin him. But I have a better idea than capturing. I'll kill them. Kill everyone that's my way. And yap, 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 yap. Yap, 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 yap. And that's my plan. Now go. Now go. Now let's go. Oh, I'm fucking injured after this fight. Oh shoot. Sorry for the wrong ankle. And I'm sorry for doing that, but we have to still be quiet. Oh boy, you think I'm that stupid? Yeah. Please. I'll do anything. Anything, huh? Yes, anything. Too bad I don't have anything. Hey! Huh? Leave my best buddy alone. Frot, you look different today. I should get some upgrade. Now I'm taller than you. Ow! I'm still strong, but he got me stronger. I need some rest. Buddy, you saved me. Anything for my best friend. Now go. Boba and Bobo are in danger. Serious danger. Yeah, meanwhile, Allie, let me go. This isn't you. It's always been me. What do you mean? Your eyes are purple. You must be something wrong. No. Time to go. No! What happened? Don't worry, buddy. I gotcha. Huh? I thought you were evil. I know. I am evil, but I'm seriously